guys, gonna be looking at some charts. I got the face cam on. I think I'm gonna take it off because it honestly doesn't do anything for this video. I don't know. I can't figure out a good spot to put it. Like, I can put it where it is now, but it's like kind of in the way. I can't put it in the corner because it's kind of in the way. It's just in the way no matter where I put it, so I'm just gonna take it off. But I did want to say hi before we get into the video. Just gonna be looking at some charts. It's been a long time since I actually broke down like a lot of charts. So we'll spend like a half hour grinding them out, probably flipping through a bunch of them to see what's up. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing. Alright, so here's the SPY. Kind of really surprising actually. We bounced from that 5% decrease up. Now we're up to 8% from that low about. Still trekking higher. It's insane. Insane. Let's see a weekly candle just to see the volume. Big pick up that day. Volume. Lack of volume, but a lot of volume on the support. Let's go to the Qs. Triple Q. Okay, wow. Dude, this is crazy. Look at that movement. We're back at like 75, 77 RSI. All-time record. How's the Dow? It's probably the weakest one, right? DIA. Still going higher. Pretty wild. Alright, let's go down to some individual stuff. Actually, I want to talk about these. My portfolio gets kind of first. So we got Baba. Still. I'm actually not down that much. I'm down 187. Actually, that's kind of a lot percentage-wise. That's a decent amount. Is it that much? Huh, 11%, yeah. I was gonna say, I don't want to cut this position because I feel like, you know, give it a year or two, it'll probably go up in value. But right now there's a lot of stuff that I want to buy. Like, I want to buy more Intel. I want to add to probably Smith & Wesson like we discussed. That one actually really good yesterday. You know, like there's stuff that I want to buy, and I feel like Baba's just in the portfolio because I wanted to put money in something kind of cheap. But now that we did some more analysis and stuff, like I want to put this money somewhere else. So thinking about cutting it, but it's not because I think it's bad. I just really want to own other things for a longer term period of time. CCJ still tracking higher. They didn't add or sell anything. Just kind of keeping it where it is. Yeah, I mean I would like more, but yeah, I shouldn't. Disney didn't do anything with it. I said I was gonna continue buying more, like here and there, but I never did. I got earnings soon. The 10th, let me actually write that down. 11, 10, Disney. Cool. Intel, yeah, we've been adding. Still, average cost 5177, so I need to get that below 50. That'd be awesome, but you know we got this big snapback, so kind of want to look at the like daily volume too. I don't know. KL actually had earnings. I didn't look at it though. That I need to do. It's on my to-do list. Here's Lockheed. I still think it's a pretty good, you know, buy for me and my portfolio. My friend's picking some up too. It's just really cheap. I mean, from like a technical point of view, we had this is gonna be a monthly candle where, you know, that looks really bad, but like, I don't know. I just think it was the timing too, so. Mag, oh wow, Mag had a pretty weird day. It was up like 4%. Wow, then it fell. Still hanging on. 3M, you know, just hanging in there. Smith & Wesson. I don't have news articles on it. Why was it up like 6% yesterday? Wow. Now it's down 4%, so something happened. Yeah, would like to pick up at like 20, but Verizon's still falling today. Let's see what happened. Why are Verizon AT&T shares falling? Let's see. So share trading lower. Reports indicating the companies agreed to delay the 5G rollout following the FAA concerns and potential interference with airplanes and stuff. I mean, the two companies agreed to delay the launch of 5G for a month so they can work with the FAA to address potential concerns. I mean, I guess that makes sense. Like, it doesn't really, in the grand scheme of things, it doesn't really change much from why I'm investing in this company. The fact that it sold off that much with that much volume would just be a reason to buy some more today. But I mean, I didn't know that today. I wasn't able to look at the market till now. Yeah, Horizon looks pretty solid to me though. Where were you? I think I missed something. Walgreens. Just again, I got this for the dividend long term. WPA. Oh, what's that earnings today? Oh, great. Okay, I gotta do this after this video. WPM. Oops, I gotta get my pen out. Oh, that reminds me, I got this other video on my to-do list I gotta do. WPM. 11.4 today. Exxon is still doing super well. Let's go down to our watch list. We got the DXY. Here's Bitcoin. Really traded in that range, 60,000 to 65,000. Interesting. Actually, isn't that what we said like a while ago? It's probably gonna fall back and retest this. I think I said it might go to 50. That might be a really bearish case, but I think 50 would be a much stronger support, I should say. Crude down a lot today. Oh wow, and yesterday too. The last couple days down like 6%. There's a bunch of stuff. Anyway though, yeah, it's down a little bit, but I mean, oil still looks pretty strong to me. Here's Ethereum. Oh, Ethereum hitting all-time highs yesterday. 4,500. Wow. Look at that volume though, into the big move. All-time high. Only volume at 2008, or sorry, 2,800. It's like nothing. Gold was up 1.6. Is that today? I'm confused. Silver's up. I mean, both silver and gold are up. The miners weren't. All the miners are down. I mean, again, like, the price of gold and silver going up on a day-to-day basis doesn't really have a lot of, like, relevancy in the miners, like, because it's depending on the mining, like, contracts they have, so I guess something to keep in mind. But here's Apple. I think Apple did fall in earnings, but obviously people are gonna pick it right back up because it's Apple. I just think it's still expensive. Got AG. Oh, they had earnings too. Oh, nice. Actually, yeah, I might read that report too because Keith gives out some good information, I feel like. ASO, I mean, I remember looking at this like $30 if I just, chilled, but it could have went down too. BGF, this thing was, wow. Thing got ripped up today. Look, they had their $1 special dividend, and then 2 quarters later, another $1 dividend. And during Corona, this was under $1 stock. This is crazy. Lightspeed, what is this? I actually got some different news though. What stock is this? Customer, no, not. Where's Lightspeed down? Our shares plunge. Oh, Lightspeed tumbles 31%. Wow. Why did this move so much though? Trading higher after stock dipped earlier in the week. Worse than expectations. Q3 results. Not seeing company specific. Well, my thing though is like they announced the dividend earning $1 per share. They announced that dividend and then everyone just sells it off. Let's see, maybe just some big boy got out. Let's see the 5 minutes. Now that happened over a pretty decent period of time. Interesting though. Corsair, we did look at the results. What's this price target? 234 from 42. 42 is way too optimistic. When we looked at the company, I think the other day's video, I mean, having a pretty bad quarter, but longer term play. The Discovery is still watching. I feel like I don't need to watch this anymore. I did some analysis and stuff on it. I just kind of figured I don't want this company. There's just other things out there right now. EA at earnings, we checked that out too. Did we do it? No, I did it on that other channel, whatever. But EA had pretty solid earnings. Not gonna say it was amazing, but it's pretty solid earnings. EMX, Foot Locker had a crazy day. We were talking about this. I think I made a video about it too. Just I hate how good the company looks on paper. Like, it looks so solid. It's just, I don't know if I want it in the portfolio. If it gets to 40, I think I would have to buy it, but if it doesn't, then, you know, just wait. But yeah, keeping a watch, definitely. JDX. I mean, it does look like we finally, I don't know what candle to use, but broke out of some, like, downtrend. Coming a little back to retest some level, I guess that makes sense. GULD at earnings too, I should probably read theirs. Oh, it's today. Well, a lot of gold miners report. Gotta catch up on some stuff. Clearly in some sort of like downtrend, but it doesn't look too bad. I think the company's solid, like fundamentally looks really solid, but just an opinion. Google almost at 3K. Wow, it didn't make 3K. Look at this. Hit a high of 29. Oh man, what is that? 299905. Funny. Here we got HP. Why is this on here again? I had to do some analysis on HP and HPQ, but I never got around to it. I think there was some other one though. HEW. I don't know. Logitech below 80 bucks, so I'm definitely getting a little interested. Wait till, you know, it does its thing. Probably gonna bounce around here, but I'm still not 100% if I want to add this stock yet because I don't know. Might get a 5% cheaper discount on it, but I don't know. Oh wow. I don't even know if anyone like watched me, and not that we watched this channel, but we talking about this literally back here. So literally a year ago, no way. Yeah, right around February. And I said, you know, eventually it'll get back to the trend line, and here it is. Here we are a year later. We're back, maybe, but I don't have the money to put in some trade like this right now. I don't really think I even want it, but it's just funny. It's been on the watch list for that long. So, Realty had their earnings report. I didn't read it, but it did fall a little bit. Still looking for it to fall some more. And if it goes higher, oh well. Guess I'm just gonna miss my opportunity, but might fall. Speaking of that, Stag did fall off earnings. Again, I think this company's just a little expensive, and I do think we'll see some lower prices. If not, well, it's okay. PAA, I'm officially gonna take this off the watch. Yeah. I mean, if I held on, I would have made some money, but I would not have held until earnings. That reminds me. SM Energy's at 35 bucks. Absolutely crazy. I just wish I picked this over PAA. I could have had like 100% trade, but I chose PAA because I'm dumb. But I guess I don't really know. Here's Space. Again, we're still watching this, but they get earnings real soon. Again, if they go down to like 15 bucks, I'm gonna try to whip up some cash somehow and maybe take a small trade. Because it's just technically a good support level that we talked about this. See, look at that. Just pew, 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 pew. I mean, it'll probably go down and shoot to the downside a little more and maybe, you know, funnel back up. I don't know, I'm just saying. Technically wise, it looks actually uranium ETF. It looks exactly like CCJ, so Moderna drops off earnings or whatever. I mean, yeah, the company is still pretty expensive. What is it? Zillow got smoked. I mean, it's down from 200, so it's also like 75% in the last couple months or like a year. 60%. It dropped 25% off earnings, like getting smoked. Kind of wanted to do like an analysis on it because I feel like people are just destroying this to the downside, quite possibly. I don't know. Just saying. Could take a look at it. Nickel is up. I can't believe this is up though. I don't know how, but pizza. Oh wow, pizza. Raise the dividend. Etsy. Qualcomm. I mean, I should probably check out Qualcomm again because Intel's like competition. Intel and Nvidia and Qualcomm up a lot today. Can Nvidia hit 1 trillion market cap? I mean, it's pretty close and it's jumping up a lot. But man, I feel like this company's really expensive. It's a great company. I'm not saying it's not. I'm just saying it's expensive. I think Qualcomm too. I mean, I did some analysis and it doesn't look that good compared to an Nvidia, AMD, and Intel, but it's a little bit different, like products and stuff. And AMD up 5%. Wow, everything but Intel. I bet TSM is probably another one. Yeah, TSM 3.2%. Everything's up, but Intel. I want to see let's see, an Nvidia news. If I could open this. Major crypto CEOs holding Shibu. Nvidia up 17%. Move higher. Hold on. Oh no, what happened? Okay, let's add that back. Nvidia added 120 billion in market cap, and guys, that's insane. That's insane. So just today at the high, it added 120 billion in market cap. Just to put that in perspective, Intel's like 200 billion. Let's see what else, just to put in comparison. I mean, Smith, that small company though. Wait a minute, yeah, Lockheed Martin is just under 100 billion market cap. So in one day, Nvidia's market cap moved 120 billion, making it like 20% larger than Lockheed Martin's entire market cap. I get it's a different company, I get all those other things, I'm just saying, like when we think about the size of these companies and what we're actually valuing these companies at, it's astronomical. Like Realty, I think there's a market cap of like 35 billion, maybe 40 billion, I don't know. Let's just say it's 50 billion. It's definitely not 50, but I guess 40 would be fine. So it added 3 Realty entire companies worth in one day. Like, just think about it, man. That's crazy. I'm not saying really that it's not justified. I'm just saying that that's a lot. And I mean, I guess I'm hinting at I don't think it's justified. That's a lot of money, guys. But let's see what else. Take-Two is up. Ooh, that's the only one I didn't make a video about. I should probably do that too. The earnings yesterday, though, right? Oh, aftermarket. Yeah, I gotta let's write that down. Now Take-Two, just circle it. I already had it on the paper. Actually, let's scan through a bunch of stuff. Actually, so much we can look at. Let's scan through a bunch of stuff. I was thinking about, oh wow, AA is doing a dividend now. I was thinking about, I have this not Excel sheet. I have this like Google Doc of like this paper I was writing about ascending triangles. I might like try to pick that back up soon and I don't know, add some more things to the document because I feel like it'd be kind of cool. But yeah, I forgot where I was going with that. Applied Materials, AMC. They're still hanging in. Oh no, this is AMC. They're still hanging in there. 40 bucks. Interesting. AMD is popping. Yeah. Oh wait. What's that? I don't know why my internet's a little bit laggy today. Amazon, why is it so slow? What's happening? Amazon 34.77 on the dot. They only earned $6 per share. Why is it so little? They probably spent some money on something, or they bought something maybe. Apache. Yeah, so we saw Activision. Oh yeah, Activision got smoked. Yeah, they had a bunch of lawsuits and stuff, and they're paying some more money to like alleviate those families and stuff. But it's not like that much money relative to how much money they have on cash on hand and stuff. But the new Call of Duty game, I guess it comes out today or something. It kind of looks ahead to me. Maybe it'll do good, but I don't really know, to be honest. What else? Oh, their Candy Crush game. Like, that made them so much money. Just the King Games, that phone company brand, is making them a lot of money. BlackBerry down almost 7% today. Let's see. This doesn't, oh there we go. Like, that does not look like BlackBerry's chart. Trading chart here. We got Best Buy. Let's see, Baidu, Big Lots. Let's keep going. BP. They increased their dividend 0.327. I mean, I guess they did last quarter too, but Caterpillar still above 200 though. CCL. Kinda wanna see it bigger. No, I don't wanna do that because I'll mess up my thing over here. Church Toy, I forgot that was a company. Clorox. I could probably dive into their earnings too. I still want them at a little bit lower valuation. Chipotle, wow, Costco. Wait, wow. Costco's up almost 3%. Wow. That's a hard stock to move. You don't really watch it go up that much. Cisco, CVS, oh wow. CVS yesterday was that like 5% off earnings. Got CVX, Delta. I haven't viewed these in so long, like I don't even recognize the charts. Dropbox. Wow, DuPont. Wow, that's insane actually. Since earnings are up like 15%. Wow. Got Deere, Denny's, Dollar General. Alright, I don't feel like looking at all of these. I kind of want to pick some out instead. Elf is down 9% off earnings. Wow. Check out Facebook. Oh, Ford. Wow. Yeah, I was gonna buy this here and then ride it up to like here, but I mean that would have literally been half a year. But that's 50%. Wow. That could have been 100%. Because when you look at the charts, technically, in a bigger time frame, maybe, I don't know. It seemed decent at the time, but I would have had to hold that for a long time. I mean, I guess it's worth the reward, but that's hindsight. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of this Gilead Sciences. I don't really care. GM's up almost 5. Generac, Garmin, Hasbro 94. Home Depot. My one friend wanted me to look at this too. I think we kind of concluded it was expensive, but wow, IBM getting smoked too. Down 13%. Let's look at this chart. Increased the dividend by $0.01. Isn't this like yeah, this is getting destroyed. I mean, like 70, 80 bucks though. Let's make this a little wider. Like that's, yeah, it did just break a pretty technical support. So I don't remember what was really wrong with this company, like fundamentally, but actually, I kind of want to take a look at it in further detail. IBM. I think it's more of like a turnaround play, if anything, and those could be a little risky. I know Intel was kind of like a turnaround play, but at least I did the fundamentals for the research on that, and I think it looks pretty decent. LVS, Las Vegas Sands. How's McDonald's doing? Guess it's going up there, you know. Netflix, oh, NEM, I see Netflix. Oh wow, that actually went up a lot. No, 5 Palantir. No, I thought I saw something on the technicals, but not really. Shake Shack. I would not really invest in that, to be honest. It just doesn't really fit my portfolio needs. Shopify. Actually, wasn't this at like 1,000 though? Wow, just kind of like trekking higher. Kind of. SM, yeah, we saw that. Crazy. Snapchat. They continually getting smoked. It's kind of forming some base. 51. I feel like 50 would be the level, but what do I know? Simon Property got huge, or went up huge off earnings. Increased the dividend by 15 cents. Look at that, 10 cents, 15 cents. They're back. Like, let's see this. Wow. That's crazy. Basically, I mean, almost back before the pandemic. Wow. Square, Spotify Stacks, AT&T. Did they say they're cutting their dividend yet? Because I feel like that'd be great. If they did, I mean, like, they just have to, I don't know, there's just a lot of problems I think with this company, but I know people like it, so I'm not gonna hate on it. I'm just saying I think they gotta address some of the problems, so maybe they are, I don't know. Tesla, wow, crazy. $1,200. That's why, from earnings too. That soaks 40% off earnings. 87 RSI. Wild. Man, that thing is just, no one's selling. Like, why would you sell? Actually, the volume's there too. Like, wow. A lot of volume compared to previously. That's pretty crazy though. I don't know. I just, wait. Oh man, what is Tesla's market cap? Can we see this? Let's see. Growth of I don't know if you're gonna be able to see this. I'm just gonna see if they have anything here. PE ratio 3. It doesn't really matter though. Where is their? They always give them the stupidest information on here. Like, do they have market cap? Like, that would be great. That's literally one of the most important things. There we go. Industry market. Wait, these don't matter. How do you delete these? Delete. That's don't need that. Let's actually see what they have on here. It's kind of interesting. Average dividend increase. The beta. I guess that would be nice to see. Just curious. Custom EPS payout. Free cash flow growth. Why not? Long-term debt to capital. Cool. Might be missing some. Going a little fast. But call ratio. This is fine. Yeah. 1.2 trillion market cap. Wow, Wait a minute. Yeah, so let's see. Actually, that was kind of a while ago, but basically from earnings, let's see, to now 50% increase. So like 400 million, yeah, about market cap in like 2 weeks or something. 3 weeks, maybe 2 weeks. Wow. That's wild. That's wild. Let's see what else I'm looking at. Oh, Zillow was actually up 3% today, but that's only because I got destroyed. Zoom, Zynga. Wow, good thing I didn't buy this thing, but I did the fundamentals of this company. It's pretty trash. But anyway, I think I'm gonna wrap this video up. Just be careful out there, guys. Like some of these companies, like I'm not saying that they're bad companies. I'm just saying from a stock investing, buying the company point of view, they are expensive and increasing their market caps at a very like greedy, expensive, fast rate. Just be careful, you know, make sure you know what you're buying and at what price and you're okay with that. Because man, man, are some of these things expensive? And I mean, they could remain expensive for a long time. But it's not something I'm willing to bet, you know. Like, I'll go buy my good stuff, my valuable things that I think are worth it. But anyway, it's just